The Little Painter. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named Leo. Leo was 8 years old and loved painting more than anything else in the world. He lived with his parents and his little sister Emma in a cozy house near the forest. Every day after school, Leo would run to his room, pull out his paint brushes and paints, and created beautiful pictures. Leo's room was filled with his paintings. He painted everything he saw: the tall trees in the forest, the colorful flowers in the garden, the blue sky, and even the small birds that sang sweet songs every morning. His favorite painting was one of the big, bright rainbow that he saw one rainy day. One sunny afternoon, Leo's teacher, Mrs. Brown, announced a painting competition at school. The competition was open to all students, and the winner would get a set of professional paints and brushes. Leo was very excited. He wanted to win the prize and paint even more beautiful pictures. After school, Leo rushed home and told his parents about the competition. "Mom, Dad, I want to join the painting competition," he said with the biggest smile on his face. His parents were very happy and encouraged him. "Of course, Leo, you should definitely join. We know you will do it great," his dad said. Leo thought for a long time about what to paint for the competition. He wanted to create something special. One evening, as he was sitting in his room, he looked out of the window and saw the beautiful sunset. The sky was painted with shades of orange, pink, and purple. Leo knew what he wanted to paint. The next day, Leo gathered his paints and brushes and went to the meadow near his house. He sat under a big oak tree and started painting the sunset. He mixed the colors carefully and painted the sky just as he saw it. He painted the trees, the flowers, and the little stream that flowed through the meadow. Leo worked very hard on his painting and wanted it to be perfect. When he finished, Leo looked at his painting and smiled. It was the best painting he had ever made. He carefully took it home and showed it to his parents. "Wow, Leo, this is amazing," his mom said. "You have captured the sunset beautifully." One day of the competition, Leo was very nervous. He saw many other students with their paintings, and they all looked very good. He took a deep breath and submitted his painting. All the paintings were displayed in the school hall, and the judges walked around looking at each one carefully. After a while, the judges announced the winner. The winner of the painting competition is Leo, with his beautiful sunset painting, one of the judges said. Leo couldn't believe his ears. He was so happy and ran to stage to receive his prize. Everyone clapped and cheered for him. Leo's parents were very proud of him. "We knew you could do it, Leo," his dad said, giving him a big hug. Leo was very happy with his new set of professional paints and brushes. He couldn't wait to go home and start painting again. From that day on, Leo painted even more. He painted every day and created many more beautiful pictures. His paintings became very popular in the village, and everyone admired his talent. Leo knew that he wanted to be a painter when he grew up. Leo continued to paint and followed his dream. He always remembered the day he won the painting competition and how happy it made him. And so Leo, the little painter, lived happily ever after, creating beautiful art and sharing it with the world. Cozy, comfortable, warm, and inviting. Tools with bristles used to apply paint. Competition, an event in which people compete to win a prize. Professional, relating to a job that requires special education or training. Encourage, give support, confidence, or hope to someone. Announce, make a formal public statement about something. Nervous, feeling anxious or worried about something. Submit, to present or deliver something for consideration. People who decide the winners in the competition. Capture, represented or depicted something accurately in art. Admire, regarded with respect or warm approval. Talent, a natural ability to do something well. Dream, a cherished aspiration or ambition.